Medlix Garage Doors Services. Gardena CA offers garage door installation at a very reasonable price. If you're having this particular conditions that most homeowners have experience with both new and old garage doors, our company may also help you with that. For instance, your photo eye could possibly be from alignment. This is basically the element of a garage door which detects when it has reached the base. Should it be from alignment, it is going to simply bounce back up. Also, it is common for your metal tracks on either side in the door to become from alignment. This can result in the door to shimmy and shake mainly because it goes down and up. These are just some of the numerous common issues that you could be facing. No matter what your trouble, Medlix Garage Doors Services Gardena CA can help you out.